Good morning. So this morning I am not talking about yoga. I am talking about garlic. Those who know me very well, they also know how much I love garlic. I love adding garlic to my meats, marinating chicken, marinating pork, to my stews. I add garlic even to my salad. And I preserve garlic in oil. This is my own grown in my garden garlic. I buy garlic, beautiful garlic, chili garlic and all different spices garlic from Beverly Farmers Market. And I love garlic just because it is a very strong antioxidant. It also contains of vitamins C and B6. So use lots of garlic. Garlic prevents and fights viruses, colds, and reduces cholesterol in your blood. And it's a very, very healthy and very yummy stuff. So eat lots of garlic. If you are on any medicines like blood thinning medicines, you must consult your doctor before using lots of garlic. But just a little bit of garlic, please. Garlic is the winner. Stay healthy.